Oh, I'm so bored. I wish I could find some other nuts to hang out with. I know what I'll Google for. Fun outdoor group activities environmental. This way I'll find some nuts. Search Allison Nature Nut at Evergreen Brickworks.
Nature nuts! Nature nuts! Here you are! Nature nuts! Oh, thank you, volunteer nature nuts. Thank you. You're here. Thank you so much, nature nuts, for answering the call. We're just going to anoint you now, and I have a few little words to pledge. Do you promise to show up with a smile?
Yes!
Do you promise to come filled with enthusiasm?
Yes!
Are you ready to take on invasive species and plant native trees?
Yeah!
All right, we're going to anoint you now. Now you're ready to work with Evergreen and nature. Release your inner nature nut. Evergreen.ca.
Ready?
Whew. Hey, honey. Yeah, it was a really long day. Today was super crazy. We were just recruiting volunteers everywhere. Oh, I'm so glad I became a nature nut. You know, Evergreen, and nature just really needed a hero. So glad I did it. It's better than sitting at my desk all day. How about you? How's your day? Make lots of bricks?